So the first thing you need to do is open YouTube. You need to be logged into the Trinity Lisburn account, and this is the logo of our account. So you click this button and then go live. Then what we're going to do is schedule a stream to go live at 9:55. So here is the one that here's one I set up earlier. So I'm actually going to delete this. And we're going to re-add it. You won't have to do this. What you have to do is click this button which says schedule stream. And then what we can do, it's very convenient, you can actually reuse settings. So let's do that. This will copy all of the settings from last week. It just makes life easy. So the next Sunday is the 31st, and we'll get the correct ordinal, ST. It's important to put the date at the start so that people know that this is the right one. If it's a special service, for example, Christmas Day, put Christmas Day at the start, or Christmas Day 2020, something like that. Just so that it's really obvious that this is the new video. We're going to change this to the date, so 31st in this case, and we'll go for 9:55. We want to change the thumbnail because that date says 24th of January, so this next bit's kind of cool. Back on the Trinity website, if you go back to the AV team training page, there is a post on getting a YouTube thumbnail. And what I've done for you is I've automatically generated these two images for you. So you go to this page and right click and save image as. Let's call it 31st and hit save. You probably can't see that off screen, but that is downloaded. Then we'll go back to YouTube and click change thumbnail. You probably can't see this part either, but we're going to pick the thumbnail that downloaded. It'll be in your downloads folder and hit open. So you can see that says live at 10 a.m. 31st of January 2021. So that's what this says. We've got the correct date here and 9:55. The reason why we do 9:55 is so that it's a little bit easier for people to find it. So let's click create. And then that's going to set itself up. Then the next thing is just a sanity check. So click into the video. And in this case, it hasn't happened. So you want to make sure that enable auto start and enable auto stop are both checked. So this one, enable, and this one, enable. What that means is on Sunday, you don't have to come into YouTube to schedule the stream. As soon as you click start streaming in OBS, this will automatically go live. And when you hit stop streaming, it'll stop the stream. Just one last thing to remember. Now we're going to schedule the website post. So to do that, we go to Trinity Lisburn, and then you're going to log into the website. You should have received an email with instructions of how to set this up, so you should be all good. Once you have logged in, click on the Services tab, and then click Add New. Then give a title. I'm just going to go 31st of January 2021. If it's a special service, you can include the name in this title as well. Then we go and pick the speaker down here. So let's pick Alan, or you can add a new speaker, test, and then add speaker. And that person will appear in that list, but let's remove that one. As long as you untick it, that's fine. Then we need to schedule when it's going to go live. So the way we do this is at the top under this publishing tab, we change publish immediately. We click edit and then put 31/2021. So that's 01 is in the first month. The rest of these are the 12 months, and then it's going to be 09/55, same as the YouTube stream. Then press OK. Then we need the video URL. So we're actually going to go back to YouTube. We're going to click on our icon up here and go to your channel. Then we're going to click on your videos. Then we're going to go to the live tab. And then here's the stream that we scheduled. So what we do is we move the mouse over the stream and click on the three dots that say options. Then click on get shareable link. Then go back to the website. Go down to the video URL, click on it, right click and paste. And that's it. So from here, we can then click on schedule. The other thing that we do is we click on set featured image. You actually should do this first. Click upload files and find that thumbnail that we made. Find it and then click set featured image. It takes a second. And then update. You can do this all in one step without clicking update. Then we can, even though it's not the 31st yet, we can still have a look at it. So if you click on view post, here it is, and it's found the live stream, and that'll be on the page. What we actually do is on the home page, we have this image. The second image is actually a link into the list of all of the videos, and then into that one. So that's last week. And I'm just going to go back. We also have a link into that list here. So to that end, on a Sunday, we usually add the thumbnail in here. So to do that, you click on Home slider, All Slides, click Edit on the one with the thumbnail, remove featured image, and then Set Featured Image. Find that image that you added as the header image here and click Set Featured Image. I'm happy that this can stay for now. The other thing we need to do is go to Home Boxes and then All Boxes. And then on the latest services one, click Edit, then remove, Set Featured Image, and then choose our 31st one. And then Set Featured Image. And again, click Update to make that go live. This is the home slider, and this is the home box. We do that on the Sunday before the service.